Stay with it.
Do you struggle with depression? If you have ADHD or ASD, depression can hit us like a wave. And it's not unsurprising because with ADHD, we have a lot of mood instability, a history of mess-ups, spills, screw-ups, which can lead to a feeling of hopelessness about our lives. And so it's very important to have a tool in your toolbox to manage these real strong feelings of depression. And that's why I recommend something called RAIN. R in RAIN stands for recognize. A stands for accept. I stands for investigate, and N stands for nurture. And basically, when we feel that feeling and it's so intense, we recognize, oh, this is depression. Okay? Without judgment, here it is. I'm not thrilled that I'm feeling this, but this is what it is, and I know I'm prone to this. A is accept. And instead of pushing and fighting and fear, we say, oh, here we go. Okay, I have to go through this. It's not going to be forever, but I have to go through it, and I accept it as a part of me. I stands for investigate. Maybe I'm feeling this feeling for a reason. Maybe there's some conflict in my life that I have to look at. Maybe I need to unburden myself with some negative feelings. Who knows why, but it's important to investigate and look at that. And maybe there is no reason, and that's part of depression too. N stands for nurture, and this is really important, to allow the feelings to be without fighting them. And what I often recommend to clients is to lie down on your bed and curl up in a ball and just allow the feelings to expand. Now, this may be scary for you because you want to make them smaller, but the famous expression, the only way out is through. And that's true for depression and strong feelings like this. So I imagine the feeling as a color in my chest, and then I see that color expanding, almost like a cloud throughout my body. And when we allow the feeling to really be and really spread throughout the body, it's weird, but it often disappears. It's when we fight it that we get stuck, and that's what trauma is. So, again, if you're feeling depressed, try this RAIN technique by Tara Brach. R stands for recognize. A stands for accept it without judgment. This is just an uncomfortable moment I have to go through. I stands for investigate. Maybe there's a conflict or a reason, or you're under too much stress at work, or you're overwhelmed and you need to change things in your life. And the N is the most important, to nurture and allow yourself to just be depressed. And more often than not, this technique allows the feelings to disappear and to move on a lot faster than other techniques. For more tips on ADHD, if you follow me, I'm going to post more. And if you have any questions about ASD, ADHD, mental health, I'll answer them if you put them in the comment section. Bye.